At Formlabs, we create tools that help people bring their ideas to life. This is why we've developed the Form 1 Plus, the first high-resolution 3D printer designed to fit right on your desktop. You'll begin with Preform, software that prepares your model for printing. Then, choose from our library of resins, engineered for a range of functions from prototyping to investment casting. To start your print, simply push the button. Watch as a high-powered laser transforms liquid resin into a solid object. Once the print is complete, use our finish kit to rinse and remove the support structures. The process is simple, the results professional. At Formlabs, we create tools for people who create the future.
The new MakerBot Replicator desktop 3D printer is a fifth-generation technology that's setting the standard in reliability, quality, and connectivity. It's our fastest and easiest to use printer yet. It's powered by the intuitive and easy-to-use MakerBot 3D platform. Software and firmware designed to work seamlessly together. The MakerBot Replicator is cloud and app-enabled. That means you can connect to it however you want, phone, a tablet, or your desktop computer. Let's talk about some of the features of the desktop 3D printer. First up, the MakerBot Smart Extruder. It's got a brain, so it can alert you when it needs you to swap out and put in more filament. It sends you a message and allows you to continue making a model, whereas before you would have had to just start all over. Another amazing feature is the 3.5-inch full-color LCD display. The user interface for this display is this knob. And we modeled this knob on high-end stereo systems. You're going to be able to use this display to access your entire model library and choose what you want to make. 100-micron layer resolution means that you can make things that just look amazing and blow people's minds. You also have the freedom to choose between a fast draft or a very high-quality, high-resolution model. The MakerBot Replicator build volume is 456 cubic inches. One of the things that the onboard camera allows you to do is remote monitoring. That means you can go pour yourself a cup of tea and while you're doing it, check the status of your 3D model. It also is a very powerful tool for sharing. The machine can snap a picture for you, and that makes it easy for you to share your model on Thingiverse and other social networks. We've upgraded the gantry on this machine into a configuration that's in the shape of the letter H. We've also sprinkled some sugar on the motion control system so that it goes faster and smoother. We've taken the guesswork out of leveling your build platform with the assisted leveling procedure. The machine helps you do the leveling process, which means you get to printing faster, easier, and with less stress than ever before. It's powerful enough for professionals and affordable enough for everyone. We can't wait to see what you'll make.
This is the Ultimaker 2 Plus, a unique 3D printer with an innovative open source platform and a global community. Let's take a look at what makes it one of the best desktop 3D printers ever. The Ultimaker 2 Plus has a large build volume, and yet it can easily fit onto any desk. It has a swappable nozzle, so you can quickly switch between different nozzle sizes. The standard is 0.4mm, but you also have the option to use a 0.25mm nozzle for detailed prints or 0.8mm for fast prints. It's really easy to level the build plate using the printer's assisted leveling process. Set the right height by turning a knob while using the Ultimaker calibration card. To clean the plate, simply open the clamps and remove it. To bring your 3D model to life, you'll need to prepare it for print using Cura, our free slicer software. You can either choose a preset or tinker with the expert settings. Once done, a G-code file is saved to an SD card, which slots into the Ultimaker 2 Plus for standalone printing. You'll start the print with a control panel, which also lets you make any adjustments during the print. Because it has a heated glass build plate, you can print using many different materials. The Ultimaker 2 Plus has a powerful 35-watt heater cartridge, which not only heats the nozzle in under a minute, but also allows for really fast prints. The new fan caps ensure the airflow is aimed perfectly below the nozzle and equally from both sides, whilst the new sun-on fans are barely audible. Its new sensitive temperature sensor provides accurate readings so you can tweak the settings with precision for optimized print quality. The Ultimaker 2 Plus uses an open filament system so you can use any kind of filament you want. When you combine the numerous materials that are available with different nozzles, the possibilities are endless. The powerful geared feeder pushes the filament into the printhead with ease. It also allows you to control the pressure. So, for example, with softer filaments, the pressure can be set lower. Incredibly, the printhead has a travel speed of up to 300 mm per second and a build speed of up to 24 cubic millimeter per second. But even at such speed, it will reliably and accurately print your models. It has a remarkable layer resolution range, so you can go from 600 microns all the way down to a finely detailed 20 microns. This gives you the freedom to create really fast drafts, detailed prints, and everything in between. And if that wasn't enough, it also comes with a comprehensive 12-month warranty, free lifetime technical support via email or phone, and a huge online knowledge base. So when you add it all up, the Ultimaker 2 Plus is one of the most innovative, reliable, and altogether powerful desktop 3D printers ever created.
Monoprice makes 3D printing affordable. Based on the successful MP Select Mini, the V2 improves on a classic 3D printer. It features an all-metal hot-end extruder, preventing filament jams and allowing for a wide range of print materials. A pre-installed build tack mat, an insulated heat bed, improvements to the rigidity and stability of the chassis, active fan cooling for mainboard. The all-metal construction MP Select Mini V2 is ready to print out of the box. It boasts powerful features and is a workhorse that'll help print anything you can imagine.